What's up, guys? Are you looking for a safe trading platform that actually gives you a maximum profit as well? Then this video is for you. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is Ironwave Capital's landing page. Link will be in the description of the video. And just from the look of this, guys, they have a user-friendly interface and a simple, straightforward navigation between different sections. And I will actually show you where you could also create a demo account and a real account. So if you are that type of trader that just started your career doing your trades, or you would like to apply the things that you have learned, like the technical analysis and all that, and just use a demo account to practice on, then this is also a good practice trading platform that you could go ahead and try out. All right. So as you can see here, guys, in their website, it says safe transaction and global services. So our company is licensed by ASIC to provide financial services and is regulated by ASIC. So for global services, guys, it is easy and fast access to your trading platform. So trading CFDs of stocks on Ironwave Capital, a diversified broker in global markets. You have all of these: the bond, the crypto indices, stock, foreign currency, and commodity. So it does not only focus on cryptocurrency, but it also involves other types of trading as well. So if you are into stock trading, where you would like to purchase stocks or shares from other companies and do your tradings that way, you could also use this. If you're also that person that also does currency trading, like US dollar compared to other foreign currencies, then this is also a platform that you could use to apply that as well. So it is also available in Google Play and in App Store for iOS users, guys. So they have the financial strategy, have free trainings, asset management. And what's good about this platform, guys, is that when you win, that's the only time that they win as well. So they are doing their best. So they are also making sure that you have all the strategies and all the things that you need to know when you do your trades. That way you have a better chance of making profits, therefore also making them profits as well. All right. So features of the platform are here as well. They have the full management features, low cost, high leverage, low spread, and fast transaction. You could also choose from a variety of trading accounts. You have the gold, VIP, and the standard. And guys, if you head on to the top and then choose account types, it will actually show you the different account types that you guys could go ahead and choose from. And it includes a lot of different things for you to use as well. So you have the basic, which is the 250 euros. You have the silver, 10,000 euros, gold, 25,000 euros, and the platinum, 100,000 euros. And finally, the VIP, which is the highest account type that they have, is the 250,000 euros. All right. Again, it's available on App Store and Android. And guys, let me also show you this one. CFD trading, you could go ahead and read through all these. And guys, of course, just like what we always tell you to do your own research before you start investing in projects. But this is something that you could go ahead and consider because, again, it is very user-friendly, even friendlier to those that has just started doing their trades for whatever type of trading you guys really want. So cryptocurrency, trading, commodities, you have stocks and all that plus more. Okay. All right. So let's head on to About Us, guys. That way you would know where to go to know more on who Ironwave Capital is. So this is the good part of the website where you could research on who they are. All right. And then, guys, finally, when you log in, it's very straightforward, guys. When you register in Ironwave Capital, you have real and demo accounts. And if you click on create account, it will let you choose between real and demo accounts. So if you would like to start off with demo account first, I would strongly suggest that you could go ahead and create a demo account before you even start doing your real trades already. All right. And guys, additionally, Ironwave has an array of press releases in big magazines. They actually create a safe environment for traders via secure protocols, in addition to having both the demo, and the real accounts for your trading. Now, guys, they also have a social media presence, and they have gathered a lot of really good testimonials from the platforms to the likes of reviews.io, the site Jabber, and Trustpilot. So you can go ahead and check those websites out. That way you could also verify, those testimonials from the people that has already used and are still using Ironwave Capital. All right. So those are the top things that I feel you guys need to know about Ironwave Capital, and stay until the end screen videos, guys. Those videos will definitely be helpful with your trading journey. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.